Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our chapter number 2 for grade 4 social technology book. The name of the chapter is the planets, and we will discuss the main points about solar system and planets. You have to open your page number 8 and 9. Now let's start the reading section. Okay, there's a picture on the top of the page. You can see this is a picture taken from space. Okay, our solar system consists of a star, the sun, 8 planets, and several smaller bodies such as dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. There are several other planetary systems which orbit other stars in different parts of our galaxy, the Milky Way. There are more planets and stars in our galaxy. Okay, in this paragraph we have learned that there is a sun which is called a star. It's a star. Okay, the moon is not a star. Why? Because the sun emits its own light. The moon did not emit its own light because it takes the reflection of sun. So that's why moon is not a star, the sun is a star. Star is that planetary body which emits its own light, and there's 8 planets in our solar system, and there are lots of other planets, asteroids and comets in our solar system, and our solar system is a part of a galaxy which name is the Milky Way, and there are hundreds of millions of stars and planets in our galaxy. The word planet comes from the Greek word that is planetes, meaning wanderer or things that move. There are still debate over what is a planet. The current definition of planets was given by the International Astronomical Union in 2006. According to this definition, a planet must have the following characteristics. Okay, now let's see what is a planet. Okay, it must orbit a star. Okay, it must be big enough, or its gravity must be strong enough to push it into a spherical shape. It must be big enough to clear its orbit from other objects revolving around the sun. These are the main 3 features which a planet must have. Okay, if a planet or a planetary body which did not exhibit these 3 points, it cannot be called a planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer planets are gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and icy giants Uranus and Neptune. Pluto was originally considered a planet, but according to the new definition, it is considered a dwarf planet because it cannot clear its orbit from other objects. Okay, जो पहले था प्लूटो वो आपका कंसीडर किया जाता था as a planet, but according to the definition which we have studied above, according to International Astronomical Union in 2006, Pluto not fulfill these 3 points, so that's why it is not included. Okay, the first planet, you can see the picture of Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, just a little larger than the moon, and is the planet closest to the sun at a distance of 36 million miles, 58 million kilometers. It is also the fastest planet, completing its orbit in 88 days. Mercury has no moons. Okay, you can see what are the characteristics of Mercury. First of all, it is the smallest planet. Okay, then it is closest to the sun, then it is the fastest planet, and it completes its orbit in 88 days, and Mercury has no moon. You can take the 5 points from here. First of all, Mercury is the smallest planet. Second is closest to the sun. Third, it is the fastest planet. Fourth, it completes its orbit in 88 days. Fifth, it has no moon. Okay, these are the main features of Mercury. Okay, the next planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and our closest neighbor. It is similar in structure and size to Earth. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction most planets do. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus also has no moons. It is also known as the evening star. Now you can get the main points about Venus. The first one is the second planet. Second one is its structure and size is similar to Earth. Third one is it spins slowly but in opposite direction. Third one is it is the hottest planet. Fourth one is it has no moons and it is also called evening star. Okay, the next one is Earth, where we live. Our home planet is the only one that has life. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and is the only planet where water exists in liquid, gas and solid forms. Earth has one moon and is the biggest of the four planets closest to the sun. Earth's atmosphere has plenty of oxygen for us to breathe. Okay, you can take the points from this. Earth, first of all, is the only one that has life. Next, it's the fifth largest planet of the solar system. Third, it has water, gases, liquid and solids. Fourth, it has one moon. Fifth, it has biggest of the four planets closest to the sun. Sixth, it has oxygen, so that's why we can breathe over here. Okay, the next is Mars, also known as the red planet. Mars is a dusty cloud desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars has two moons and is remarkably similar to Earth as it has seasons, polar ice caps, weather canyons and extinct volcanoes. It is also the most researched planet other than Earth. Okay, now you can get the points. The first one is it is the red planet. It has dusty cold deserts and a thin atmosphere. Next interesting thing that it has two moons. Mercury has no moon, Venus has no moon, Earth has one moon and Mars has two moons. Okay, the next one is it has seasons. Okay, polar ice caps, weather, canyons and extinct volcanoes. Now your home task is to read the page number 8 and 9. Collect the pictures of Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Write important features of Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Write few lines about solar system. Okay, and if there is any problem you can contact us on Facebook or school number. Thank you.